Today I'm going to share with you 5 mistakes that you should avoid when you want to start a poultry farm. Or if you have already started the farm, then I would want to share with you 5 mistakes you should be aware of so that you do not make them, because they may cost you dearly. Stay tuned. My name is Komla, the city farmer. So the first mistake you should avoid when you are starting a poultry farm is the mistake of starting big. The mistake of starting big. Most of the time you have already calculated your profit margins and how much you are expected to earn from the poultry business, and you are so excited about it, and so you want to start big so that you can start cashing out as quick as possible. At the end of the day, you buy a lot of day old. Because you do not have the experience, you are not able to manage it properly, and what happens at the end of the day, you end up losing all your bets because you have made a lot of mistakes that you shouldn't have done. So in order to avoid issues like this, my advice to you is to start small. When you start small, it gives you the chance to be able to gain experience, the experience that you need to be able to do a big or to move to a bigger project. And so starting small is very valuable because it gives you the prerequisites or the experiences that you need. You get this experience and not losing so much. But when you start big, you lose so much. You get the experience, but you lose so much. And so it is very advisable to start small so that the investment that you put in is on a smaller scale. And this way you do not lose so much. You tend to get the experience that can lead you to move on to the next level of your farming business. So it is very true that you may be wasting time, but you just start on a smaller basis and assume that you have not started at all. It is better to do it that way than to start big and end up losing all your investments.